Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another new video. As we have started Microsoft Excel tutorial series, and this is its lesson 12. Already we have completed 11 lesson, and if you're new to our channel, you can watch that. And I hope that in our previous video that will clear your basic very strong. So, as we have started a new part about learn 100 plus Excel formulas. Okay, so this is our part 4, and in this part I will just discuss about if error, column, row, then concatenate. Okay, so that is our 5 formula that I will use in this video. So if you're new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. And if you're a civil engineer, then obviously subscribe to our channel, because this channel is for you. So let's start. So first of all, I will open our Excel file. So here is our Excel file. Actually, I'm using that data for my wall work, so that I can complete our task very quickly. So first of all, here you are seeing that we'll use if formula. So how we'll just use if formula? Suppose here is a mark sheet. Okay, here if you see that here is a mark sheet, just consider that this is a mark sheet here. Now here is a mark sheet. Now this is the, suppose is a name. Okay, this is name, and this is mark. Suppose we have take an exam, and this is their name and this is their mark. Now I will find out who is good or who is not good. Suppose if we consider that the person who was able to earn marks more than 33, okay, more than 33, he is good. More than 33, he is good, and other, or he have passed and other have failed. Okay, so how will use that formula? Like, simply come here, then press, where you want to use that formula, then press equal to, then if then bracket. Now it's telling us logical test. Then what is the logical test actually? With which value we'll use our test. So this is the value, this is our logical test value, then comma. Okay, sorry, this is our, for logical test, here we have to use our logic actually. So if that value is more than 33, then pass. And if, okay, suppose we'll consider here, if the value is, C4 is more than 33, this is our condition, then comma, value if true, if that condition is true, then in my previous video I have told you that when we'll give value, then no need any inverted comma, but when we'll give text, then we have to give inverted comma. When our when C4 is more than 33, then good, inverted comma, then again comma. And if false, okay, here you're seeing that value if false, then what will be? It's bad, or fail, and I'll give her pass. Again give a double inverted comma, then bracket, enter. Now it's giving us fail. Okay, it's giving us fail because the 12 is not more than 33. So from here our condition, this condition is false, so it's taking the second one. So if we simply copy that all cell. Just see here, it's showing us pass 34, more than 33 pass, 43 pass, 33 23 pass, 34 2 fail, and like that. Just if you give her 42, here it will be pass. Okay, so just see here, in this way we can use, actually we can use our formula. Okay, now also you can change that formula. So according to requirement, actually when I will show you about a big formula, okay, when I will discuss with you about a big format, then I will show you about that. Actually I have created some design format, and also some, I have created full earthquake design format according to ASC and ACI and BNVC. So I will give you that review how I have created that, so that it will be very clear to you. Okay, now I'll go for if error. If error, suppose here if I give a text, sorry, if I give a it's okay, suppose here if I create a value, okay, suppose they have a 12 and they have another value 10. I will multiply that two value. Okay, I will multiply that two value equal to bracket that value divided by that value, so it will be 1.2. okay, but if I give it 0, now see that it's showing us error, it's showing us error. Okay, so when we'll see error here, we can use our if error to find out that error. Okay, I mean to give a certain message. So double click here, and from here after equal to give her if ERROR, then bracket. Okay, then again give here a bracket. So after if error, the value, okay, here D30 divided by D40. okay, if that value, okay, we'll give her a comma. If that value is error, then value if error, what will be the value? Just we can give her 0. If is it error, then we can give her 0. Just see here, it's 0. Also you can change that, we can give her we can give here actually by inverted, by using inverted comma. We can give a message PL, please use correct value, inverted comma, then enter. Just see here, if I increase that, it's showing us please use correct value. But when we'll give her some value, suppose again 10, now it's giving us 1.2. so actually in this way we can use our if error. Now we'll go for column, because actually this is a simple command. So simply equal to the COLUMN column, the bracket, then if we give her a with that sign, then again a, like that. If we give it like that, then enter. Sorry, COLU, there will be L, that's, then enter. Now it's showing us 1. So if we take that value in downward, it will give us 1, because that is the value for row. So from here if we go right, then it will give us 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and also this is the way to use that column, I mean to find out your number of row and number of columns. After that, if we use row equal to row w row, then bracket, then reference. Okay, what will be the reference? 1, that's sign 1. Okay, enter. So similarly for row, we have to go for row. So here's the number of row, so it's showing us number of 8 row we're using. So like that, we can use that columns and row command. After that, here concatenate. Okay, we'll use actually this is a important command. When we'll use that command, suppose we need to create some ID card. Okay, now, and every value will be with respect to the name and with respect to the roll number. Suppose this is roll number 101 102, sorry, 102. Okay, so I'll just go down. This is roll number and this is the name. So I will create an ID card number with respect to name, their role, okay, and with the year of the academic year. Suppose here equal to, then we'll use concatenate. Otherwise you can double click here, double click, then it's telling us text 1, text 2, text 3. So first of all I will give that. Okay, then I will actually sorry, we should use here for proper line. Okay, so concatenate, double click, then text, this is the first text, then comma, we can use another sign, suppose like sign like that. Otherwise we can use without any name, then our second on will be like that. Then if we give bracket, so just see here, this is your ID card number. If we go down like that, so this is ID card number for every name with the role. Okay, otherwise we can also modify that. So after that we can give a certain also in middle we can give a, suppose use double inverted comma. Okay, then give a y year 2020, sorry 2020, then again inverted comma, then comma, then enter. Now see that also we can use a value like that, enter. Now it's showing us this is the ID number A Y. Also we can modify that. Here we can give that like that. So just see here, this is the ID card number, and if we select and go down, then this is the ID card number for all students. Actually in that way we can use the concatenate formula. So actually we have done our 5 formula, and if you think that is helpful for you, then stay with us and also subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you get the next update. And also like our video, share our video, and don't forget to leave a comment, because your own comment inspires for the next one. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.